Hello everyone, my name is Supriya More and I am Assistant Professor at ASSMS Institute of Information Technology, and today I am going to tell about the what is the keywords used in C languages. So the keyword is a reserved word. You cannot use that as a variable name, constant name, etc. There are only 32 reserved keywords in a C languages like auto, break, case, character, constant, continue, default, to, double, else, enum, extern, float, for, go to, if, int, long, register, return, short, sign, size of, static, struct, switch, type def, union, unsigned, void, volatile, and while. These are the 32 reserved keywords are used in a C languages, but we cannot be used as a variable name or constant name, etc. So these are the keywords used in a C languages. The next one is a C identifiers. So C identifiers is represent the name of the C program. For example, variables, functions, arrays, structures, unions, labels. So an identifier can be composed to letters such as uppercase, lowercase letter, underscores, digit, but the starting letter should be either the alphabet or the underscore. It cannot be started with the digits. So the identifier is not used to the external linkage, then it is called as an internal identifier, and then identifier used in the external linkage is called as external identifier. So we can say that an identifier is collection of alphanumeric character where having the uppercases, lower cases, underscores, digits, and all. So there are the total 52 alphabetical characters, uppercase and lowercase, underscores, characters, and 10 numerical digits 0 to 9 that represent the identifiers. So there is a total of 63 alphanumerical character that represent the identifiers. The next one is they are having the different rules for constructing C identifiers. The first character of an identifier should be either the alphabet or an underscore, and then it is can be followed by one character digit and the underscore. Commas or blank spaces cannot be specified within the identifier. The length of the identifier should not be more than 31 characters. Keywords cannot be represented as identifiers. In identifier, both the uppercases and lower cases letters are distinct. Therefore, we can say that identifier are case sensitive. So it should not begin with any numerical digit. So the length of the identifier should not be more than 31 character, and identifier should be written in such a way that is of the meaningful of short and easy to read. So these are the number of rules for constructing the C identifier. The next one is the example of valid identifiers and the invalid identifiers. Valid identifiers is total, sum, average, and underscore m underscore sum is the valid, but the invalid if it is a two sum integer character m plus n. Why it is a valid and invalid? Valid is having the started with the alphabetical, also it is started with the underscore, but it cannot be started with the any reserved keyword or the any digit. So this is a valid and invalid identifier. Next, they're having the multiple types of identifiers: internal identifiers, external identifiers. Internal identifier having the internal linkage, this is called internal identifier, and external identifier is external linkage where out of the function we can declare that identifier. This is the external identifier. The next one is a C operator. They are having the multiple C operators: arithmetic, relational, shift, logical, bitwise, ternary, assignment, and misc operators. So they are having the precedence of operator in C. Though here that is the associative specify the operator direction of evaluations. It may be left to right or right to left. So here given the one example, integer value is equal to 10 plus 20 into 10. So it will contain the two 10 because the multiplicative operator is evaluated before the additive operator. So it is a one of the example. Then next one is given a chart that is a precedence of associative of C operators, and that C operators are the belows. They are having the multiple categories, and precedence and associativity of C operators given below. The postfix, unary, multiplicative, additive, shift, relational, equivalent, and bitwise add, and their operators with their associativity. This is one of the charts. The next one is same, it is a bitwise XOR or their operation associativities, and right to left and left to right operators. Then next one is data type in C. There are the four types of data types: basics, derived, enumeration, and void. The basic data types is the integer, character, float, double. Derived data types is the array, pointer, structure, union. Enumeration data types is the enum, and void data type is a void. So these are the data types are used here. Given in the one table chart, we are having the data types with their memory size. Suppose it is given the example character, then memory size is a 1 byte, then short 2 bytes, integer 2 bytes, short integer 2 bytes, and long integer 4 bytes. So 1 byte is nothing but 8 bit of character, and this type is according to their size of a range. And same like short integer, long integer, float double, and the long double charts and given the range. The next one, so yeah, this is the all basic data types, operators and precedence of operators, identifiers, keywords present in a C languages. So yeah, I hope this video is like to you. Thank you.